Hello, my sweet little kids. Today we will be doing a new topic of grammar these, those. First of all, tell me, have you done this, that? Yes, you did it in the previous term. This, that is used for singular and these, those are used with plurals. For example, see, this is a pencil. If there is more than one pencil, then we use these. We use these for the things that are near to us. जो चीज़ें हमारे पास हैं हम उनके लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? These. And we use those for the things that are far from us. जो चीज़ें हमसे दूर हैं हम उनके लिए those यूज करते हैं. For a better clarity, let me show you some live examples. See children, I am holding beautiful flowers in my hand. You can see that I can touch the flowers, right? The flowers are near to me. So, what should I say? These are flowers, right? Beta, the things that are near to us and the things that we can touch, there we use these. So, speak up, these are flowers. Now see children, the flowers are far from me. I have to point at them to show it to you. I have to use my finger to show you the flowers. That means the flowers are far from me. I can't touch them. So, what we will say? We will say those are flowers. Understood? Now see children. ये क्या है? Mugs. Yes. So, you can see the mugs are in my hands, right? So, I can touch the mugs and the mugs are near to me. So, what should I say? These are mugs. मेरे पास है ना ये और मैम इसको टच कर पा रही हैं. So, we will say these are mugs. Now tell me, where are the mugs? The mugs are not in my hands. So, now the mugs are far from me. I can't touch the mugs. I have again to point at them to show it to you. So, speak up, those are the mugs. Speak up, those are the mugs. Now tell me, what is in my hands? Cars. Yes, you love to drive cars? You must be having many toy cars, right? Okay, so now tell me, where are the cars? The cars are in my hands, right? So, are the cars near to me? Cars मेरे पास है? Yes, the cars are near to me. And I can touch the cars. So, what we will say? We will say, these are cars. Now see, the cars are far from me. I can't touch the cars. Again, I have to point at them to show it to you. So, what we will say? We will say, those are cars. Now, where are the pencils? The pencils are in my hand. And they are near to me. I can touch them. So, speak up. These are pencils. Now, where are the pencils? The pencils are far from me. Now, speak up. Those are pencils. You can see the pencils are far from me. So, speak up. Those are pencils. Now, children, quickly write down beta date and day and write down the heading of these, those. Okay, now let us start. Write down here number 1. Now beta, here you are to leave a blank like this. Okay, then write down R A R E R cups, CUPS, cups. Then put an arrow here. First of all, put a full stop here. Then put an arrow here. Then draw a box Now draw two cups. Now listen, I have left a blank here. Are cups. Now see, you can see an arrow here. यहाँ पे arrow है, right? Arrow means that the things are far from us. Now the cups are far from us. Cups हमसे दूर हैं, right? This arrow indicates that the cups are far from us. वो हमसे दूर हैं. Then what should I write here? These or those? Those. Very good. Why? Because when the arrow is there, it means the thing is far from us. Right? So write down here those. Those are cups. Right? Clear बेटा? Those हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब कोई चीज हमसे दूर होती है. राइट तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? दोस. नंबर 2. नाउ ड्रॉ अ बॉक्स हियर. नाउ leave a blank. Are mangoes. 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 Mangoes are near to us और mangoes are far from us. बताइए, mangoes हमारे पास हैं कि दूर हैं? पास हैं. Yes, very good. So what should I write here? These. Yes. क्यों these लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे बेटा? क्योंकि मैंगोज हमारे पास हैं. जब पिक्चर यहाँ पे बनी हुई है ना, आगे बनी हुई है ब्लैंक के आगे, दैट मीन्स इट इज नियर टू अस. राइट तो चीज हमारे पास है. और जब हमने आगे यहाँ पे पिक्चर बनाई और यहाँ पे एरो है, इट मीन्स द थिंग्स आर फार फ्रॉम अस. So now here the mangoes are near to us. Mangoes हमारे पास हैं. So we will write down here these. These are mangoes. These are mangoes. Clear हुआ बच्चे आपको? Okay, now number 3. A blank here. Are clouds. Full stop, then put an arrow, then draw a box here. Now tell me, where are the clouds? Clouds कहाँ हैं? Near or far from us? Far from us. Yes. So what we will say? We will say those are clouds. See, I have to point it out. है ना? I have to use my finger to show it to you. Right? So what we will say? We will say those are clouds. So write down here THOSE. Those. Those are clouds. Number 4. Leave a blank here beta. Are kites. 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 Put an arrow. Now draw 2 kites in the box. Okay. Now tell me, the kites are near or far from us? Kites हमारे पास हैं कि दूर हैं? दूर हैं. Yes. So we will say those are kites. So write down here THOSE. those. Those are kites. Kites हमसे दूर है ना, that is why we have drawn an arrow here, right? So we will say those are kites. Okay, now number 5. Now draw a box here. Now beta ji, okay, now leave a blank here. Okay, now write down R rats. R-A-T-S, rats. Rats क्या होते हैं? चूहे. आपको डर लगता है चूहों से? No? Okay. So, where are the rats? Near or far? Near to us. Yes. So, what we will write down here? These are those? These. Very good. These are rats. So, write down here T-H-E-S-E. These. These are rats. Number 6. Now, again, draw a box here. First let me draw, then I will ask you what. Now tell me, ये मैम ने क्या बनाया है? Pencils. Very intelligent. Now leave a blank here beta and write down R pencils. P-E-N-C-I-L-S. Now tell me, the pencils are near to us or far from us? The pencils are near to us. Yes. So, we will write down here these. Yes. So, write down here these are pencils. Very good. Now, number 7. Now, beta ji, leave a blank here. Write down here are trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Now, draw an arrow here. Now, let us draw trees. Okay. Now, what should I write here? Those. Yes. Why we will write down those? Because the trees are far from us. So, write down here, those are trees. Okay, now last number 8. Now, beta, draw a box here. Leave a blank here. Are books. B-O-O-K-S. Books. Okay. The books are near to us or far from us? Near, yes. So, what should I write here? These, yes. So, write down here, these are books, yes. क्योंकि देखो हमने आगे पिक्चर बनाई हुई है ना. ओके, नाउ लिसन बेटा, आपने हमेशा याद रखना है दैट वेयर देयर इज एन एरो, दैट थिंग्स आर फार फ्रॉम अस. ठीक है, जहां पे भी मैम ने एरो लगाया होगा सेंटेंस में, वो क्यों लगाया होगा? दैट मीन्स दैट थिंग्स आर फार फ्रॉम अस, वो चीजें हमसे दूर हैं, ठीक है। और जो पिक्चर सेंटेंस के स्टार्टिंग में हम बनाएंगे वहां हम क्या यूज करेंगे? दीज। क्यों? क्योंकि ये हमारे पास है, राइट। वी हैव ड्रॉन एन एरो टू इंडिकेट दैट द थिंग्स आर फार फ्रॉम अस, ठीक है। जो चीजें हमसे दूर हैं उसको शो करने के लिए हमें पॉइंट आउट करना पड़ता है ना। फिंगर से भी वो देखो मैम आपको क्या पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं? दोज आर कप्स, राइट। आई एम यूजिंग माई फिंगर. In the same way, in the sentence, we will be using an arrow for showing the things that are far from us. Clear beta? And the things that are near to us, जो चीजें हमारे पास हैं, है ना, जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं, वो हमने वहां हम these लगाते हैं. Like these are mangoes, ठीक है. These are rats. These are pencils. These are books. Okay, betu? Clear? Now beta, let us revise it. Those are cups. These are mangoes. Those are clouds. Those are kites. These are rats. These are pencils. Those are trees. These are books. Okay? My dear children, you are to write down all the sentences of those in your notebooks. Okay, beta? Thank you so much. Have a good day.